Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ng Mighty Clean Powder Detergent. Let's watch this.
OMG! Mighty Clean Powder Detergent? Paborito ko yan. Mabula. Mabango. Malinis. May 10 kilos pa. Abot buong pamilya. Ang saya. Check out na.
At next naman ay post ni Direk Ivan Payawal. Next picture, Saving Cherry starring incredible Barbie Fortesa, also starring Mika Salamanca, Izzy Bonifacio, Sasa Girl, and Mikey Quintos. You have no idea what they're about to do. It's going to be one hell of a ride. Under Regal Entertainment, I am elated and grateful that I get to continue to tell the stories. I'm really excited to share this one with all of you. I promise myself that for my next decade, I want to tell stories that are important and personal to me. Finally, Saving Cherry is coming soon. Shout out to my girls, Barbara Fortesa, Mika Salamanca, Izzy Bonifacio, Sasa Girl, Mikey Quintos. Blessed to have this talented cast with me on this journey. At next ay post ng Pelikula Mania PH. Look, Regal Entertainment Incorporated reveals our first look at Saving Cherry starring Barbara Fortesa with Mika Salamanca, Izzy Bonifacio, Sasa Girl, and Mikey Quintos. Directed by Ivan Idru Payawal. In cinemas soon. At ito naman ay Instagram story ni Direk Ivan Payawal. Ayan na nga, Saving Cherry coming soon, Barbie, Mika, AC, Sasa, and Mikey. At next naman ay post ng Kapuso United, meet the cast of Saving Cherry. Ayan na nga, si Barbie, Khalil, AC Martinez, Mika Salamanca, Sasa Girl, and Mikey Quintos. And Khalil Ramos take on the role of Cherry's fiancé, whose betrayal before their wedding sets the story in motion. Under Regal Films, directed by Ivan Andrew Payawal. At next kay Instagram story ni AC Bonifacio galing kay Direk Izzy Perer. Comment niya, as an actor today for Direk Ivan Payawal. At ito nga yung buong cast, guys. At ito nga yung mga nakatag, ito yung cast, guys. So si Barbara Fortesa, Mikey Quintos, Khalil Ramos, JC Alcantara, Sasa Girl, Tan Perez, Lara Fortuna, AC Bonifacio, and Mika Salamanca. Ay wow, si Tan Perez, cute din yun, di ba? Ayan na nga. So si Khalil, si Sasa, Barbie, Mika, AC, at saka si Mikey Quinto. At yun na nga, si Khalil, si Barbie, si Mika, Sasa, at saka si Mikey Quintos, at saka si AC Bonifacio. O, di ba? At least may pakas reveal na si Direk Izzy Perer. Pero may nag-comment nga sa akin na fake news daw na si Khalil daw kasama doon sa movie. 'Di ba? Naku hindi niya muna hinintay na i-reveal lahat. Tsaka ABS-CBN yung nag-publish kung kakamaling ABS-CBN, 'di ba? Gaga. Anyway, next. Next nga ay nagpunta nga si Barbie Fortesa sa birthday ni Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Ayun nga si Priscilla Mireles, si Barbie at saka si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. At sa Miss Duza nga to, guys, I really love na friend na ngayon ni Barbie si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. At least nakakasama na siya sa mga ganitong events, di ba? Ito nga yung isang picture ni nakasama si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ito nga, Barbie Fortesa with the birthday girl Miss Rufa Gutierrez sa kanyang Instagram story. At nag-post nga si Miss Rufa Gutierrez ng What a Blur, kicking off a month-long celebration with the people who matter most, family and handful of amazing friends. Grateful for all the love. At nag-comment naman si Barbie ng fabulous party. Thank you for having me po. Happy birthday po. Ayan, at least lumalaki na yung circle ni Barbie Fortesa para mahanap niya na yung the one niya, diba? Grabe. I'm so excited for Barbie. Anyway, next. Ayun, si Adabel Rama, Eddie Gutierrez. Ayan. So, Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Ayan, si Ina Raimundo. Sunshine Cruz. Diba? Social yung birthday ni Miss Rufa Gutierrez, syempre. At yan si Barbie. Diba? Saya. Kasama din si Barbie sa video. At yan, Rufa. Ayan si Jake Cuenca. At yan, more people there. At yun na nga yung si Barbie, yung pagdating niya. At yun naman yung nakaupo si Barbie na tawa ng tao. At next ay post ng Sparkle Jimmy Artist Center. Check out this behind the scenes photos of Barbara Fortesa and Bianca Mali for Mega Magazine. Si Barbie, post ni Genre. Ayan. At ito yung article na Mega. Barbie Fortesa first won audiences over the bright-eyed child star whose charm and warmth and effortless relatability made her an instant familiar. Nearly 2 decades later, those same qualities remain, but she does an actress who has continually challenged herself to venture further. Growth is rarely linear. More often, it begins with curiosity, with asking better questions before searching for better answers. That has long guided the actress to approach to acting. Why is she going through this? Why is she like this? I try to understand her deeply first, she says. Every character becomes an opportunity to understand another person, and inevitably herself. In Mega's June 2026 special issue, Fortesa opens up about storytelling transformation and why the women who stay with us are often those still discovering who they are. At ito na nga yung behind the scenes photos ni Barbie at saka ni Miss Bianca Umali. Ayan. Diba si Barbie sa laptop at si Miss Bianca. At next naman, nag-Instagram story nga si Tita Ami na don't believe everything you hear. Ayan nga, akala lang trend. Pero aso lang pala. At palagay ko pinatatamaan yung mga dilulu dito. Tingnan mo nga si Tetsuki, no? Pinipilit talaga nilang kasama si Barbie sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Parang tanga, di ba? Eh, yung sa Pilipinas, tingnan masama-sama ni David si Barbie sa Jakarta, Indonesia pa. Di ba? Parang gago lang yung mga mga dilulu. Tapos, okay lang sana kung sila lang yung naniwala, pero dinabay pa nila yung iba pang mga dilulu, no? Kaya, ayun ako ba dito sa mga when will they ever change? Mga dilulu. Anyway, Next ay Barbie Fortesa was spotted by a fan. So nakuha ko na lang to sa video ni Cherry Puyo from FB at whose line is it anyway? Turns out the great actress can make any line sound like it was written just for her. From iconic classics to unforgettable performances, watch Miss Isa Calzado, Jody Santa Maria, Dina Bonabi, Bella, Dolly De Leon, Jazz Curtis Smith, Gavi Padilla, Myron Soriano, Barbara Fortesa, Bianca Umali. Ayan, some of the Philippine cinema's finest take on famous movie quotes in scene-stealing fashion. Let's watch this.
Matitikman ninyo ang batas ng isang api!
You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard copycat.
Masaya pag may bakla. Mahal ko ang mga bakla. Dapat may bakla!
Walang himala! Akala mo lang wala. Pero meron! Meron! Meron!
I was never your partner. I'm just your wife.
At yung ginawa nga ni Barbie Fortesa ay yung famous line ni Ms. Sharon Cuneta sa Madras na next ay post ng GMA News. Sparkle artist Barbie Fortesa shared her thoughts at watching ang babae sa septic tank. Let's watch this.
How do I interpret? Why will I interpret if you have a whole show showcasing it, diba? So I guess you just have to see babae sa septic tank para malaman nyo yung gusto kong sabihin.
At next ay mga celebrities na nanood ng babae sa septic tank. Candy Pangilinan, Barbie Fortesa, at si Miss Alexa Ilacad, at syempre si Sasa Girl. At next naman, Instagram story ni Barbie Fortesa, Avignon Excellence. Barbie Fortesa loves to explore, run, and stay active, and with all the cardio she does, she knows the importance of keeping the skin firm and lifted. Let's watch this. Ayun na nga, Barbie Fortesa for Avignon Clinic. Ayan. So, diba, parang glass skin si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ay, ganyan nga yung kanyang ginagawa. to maintain her youthful glow at sculpted look. Ayan. Para refine yung facial contours niya. At para walang double chin. At yan, Avignon, Instagram story ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next, ito nga game na shinare ni Tita Ami sa kanyang Instagram, sa kanyang TikTok pala, sorry. So mukhang related nga ito do sa Saving Cherry movie ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Or basta shinare na lang ni Tita Ami, diba? Ayan, may roses. Tapos may ring. At ibibigay niya nga doon sa girl. Nakinilig naman yung mga dilulu. As if naman related kay David. Grabe no. Lahat na lang pinagdidiluluhan nila. At next ka ay post ni Tito Jack Licauco. Ayan nga si Jean ay kasali din sa Hyrox. Number 2 in her age group daw. At ito post ni James Licauco. At Jakarta is too underrated. Post naman ni David Licauco sa kanyang Instagram story. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!